Login loop error on Bankin Fix. If your banking app keeps sending you back to the login screen again and again, don't panic. This is a common issue with an easy fix. You won't believe how many people think their account was hacked or their bank is down, when in fact, it's just a small sync error between the app and the bank's API. Banking connects to multiple financial institutions using secure data bridges. When a login loop happens, it means the app's stored session has expired, or its cache is interfering with a fresh connection. The good news: you can fix it in minutes. Start by closing the Bankin app completely. On your phone, go to Settings, find the Bankin app and clear its cache and data. This removes outdated tokens that are often the reason for endless login loops. Then, reopen the app and try to log in again. Enter your credentials manually, skip autofill this time. If your bank sends a verification code or requires mobile confirmation, complete it immediately. Any delay can cause your session to expire mid-login. Still looping? Try turning off your FAN or proxy. Bankin verifies your IP address for security, and masking your location can cause the system to think your session is suspicious. Also, check for app updates. Both Bankin and your banking institution might roll out new security versions. Outdated versions often fail to authenticate properly. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the app. This resets the stored permissions and forces a fresh, secure connection. After you've done these steps, your login should go through smoothly. So, the next time your Bankin login keeps looping, remember it's not your account or your password. It's just a broken session trying to reconnect. Clear the data, update the app, and you'll be back to tracking your finances in seconds.